Hello, I am John Swigert, and I am a cyborg scientist and author of the Swigert Theory of Everything AO. This booklet presents a practical architecture for local, sovereign AI built on consumer hardware, designed to operate without external keys, paid credits, or cloud dependency. Across 3 papers, we establish a progression from a single machine running a shared model workspace, a castle, to a multi-node intranet of coordinated towers. Paper 1 defines the buildable single-node system. Specialized agents share one local model endpoint and one workspace, enforcing clear boundaries. Per-agent metering becomes a tax on creativity. Credentials become a burden. The alternative is simple. Run the model locally. Treat AI as a sovereign instrument. The castle metaphor is a systems model. The engine room hosts the LLM. The vault holds the content. Stewards are agents with defined roles. We distinguish upstream, exploration and drafting, from downstream, publication and record. WordPress is not a brain, it is a ledger. Targeting consumer towers with 6 GB of RAM, we use 7B class quantized models. This replaces brute force with structure. An NVMe SSD is the most critical upgrade. The requirement is explicit. No agent should require external API keys. All agents are local modules calling a local endpoint. Start with 3 agents: a researcher to organize facts, a writer to draft, and a referee to diff and correct. This prevents chaos. Paper 2 extends this into a multi-node intranet. 5 or more local machines operate as coordinated nodes, sharing models and memory. Each node has a role. The primary inference node is the voice. Background nodes are the muscle. The memory node is the archive. The local intranet is the wall. All nodes live on the same physical network owned by the same steward, not exposed to the public internet. A multi-node system must not fracture its memory. We use shared vault strategies to ensure one castle has one memory. This offers failure containment. The engine can fail, but memory survives. This is architectural anti-fragility without enterprise overhead. This costs nothing per interaction and scales with hardware you already own. It creates compositional intelligence, not rented cognition. Paper 3 introduces Node 0, the foundational act of creating a private informational internet. Node 0 is not a product. It is a clean, canonical environment where knowledge is stewarded without extraction, drift, or dependency. A local intranet containing indices, memory, and search is an internet in the original sense. The difference is ownership. Purity is structural. No extraction economy, no silent mutation, no cognitive rent. Purity is about control over meaning. The Secretary Suite is a stewardship architecture. Cognition requires custody. Node 0 is the first custodian. We reframe old machines not as failures, but as cognitive organs. They become memory nodes, indexing mills, and archival towers. External AI becomes a discussion partner, not labor. The work happens locally. The meaning is resolved locally. Node 0 is a cultural countermeasure. It restores the right to own thought, to revise memory, and to rebuild cleanly. Paper 1 established feasibility. Paper 2 established scalability. Paper 3 establishes inevitability. The Secretary Suite demonstrates that sovereign AI requires structure, boundary discipline, role clarity, and shared memory under stewardship. It transforms consumer hardware into a unified cognitive system. Knowledge becomes durable, ownable, and survivable. The rule remains unchanged across every implementation. AI upstream, publication downstream. Authority never drifts. If you did, you'll find hundreds more just like it waiting for you on our TikTok, this YouTube channel, the homepage, and especially ivorytowerjournal.com. We also have full podcast versions of every episode under the same name, Tistoyeo. Come join us. The next collapse of the old paradigm drops in 48 hours. See you there.